Okay, let us try to solve another expression. We will try to convert this infix expression into prefix expression. Right, first let us do it using the direct method, and then we will do it using the stack method. So using the direct method, we just need to scan or just look at this expression. We have two parentheses here. This is the left parenthesis, this is the right parenthesis. So we need to solve the left parenthesis first. So I will write as it is here, and as you look at the left this parenthesis, you have two operators, exponential and minus. Exponential has greater precedence than that of minus, therefore I need to solve this first, right? So exponential will go here. So I have here exponential cd minus e, and I will write the rest as it is. As I have already told you, please, once you solve operand operator operand, right, just write the expression as it is. Just write the expression as it is. Do not solve two expressions at a time, right? Two sub expressions at a time. Always in a stack, it is operand 1, operator, operand 2. This is the way it is solved, always in a stack, right? So this is done. Now again here this parenthesis has to be solved. So this minus is left, so I need to put minus to the left of exponential. Therefore this becomes our operand 1 and this becomes our operand 2. So I'll say here a star b plus, right, minus exponential cd e, right, multiplication, right, and then I will write it as it is, correct? Now the first parenthesis has been solved, right? Now we will solve this parenthesis. Here we can see plus and division has greater precedence than that of plus, right? So I need to solve g by h here, right? So I will write the rest of expression as it is, c d e, right, star, right, and then I'll say here f plus by g h, right? I'll just put this before this, right? Now we have solved this, and now again we still have parenthesis because plus is yet to be resolved. Now we will solve this. Now this is operand 1, whole thing is operand 2, we will put plus before f. So I'll say a star b plus minus to the power c d e star plus f, right, plus f by g h, right? So parenthesis has been solved. So when we solve parenthesis, we have solved exponential, minus, plus, by. So what is left? The star operator is left, plus is left, and star is left. Here we can say star operator is left, plus is left, and then star is left out. So while looking at this expression, we know that we need to solve multiplication first and then plus. We already know that multiplication has greater precedence than that of plus, therefore we will solve multiplication first. But you can see there are two multiplication operators here and this one and this one. So what do we solve first? Whether we solve this multiplication operator first, or we will solve this multiplication operator first, right? So we know that when you have equal precedence, then you need to solve, look at associativity. Associativity is from left to right, so you need to solve from left to right, which means that you need to solve this first, right? So operand 1 will become a and operand 2 will become only b, because plus is yet to be resolved, right? So we'll stop here, right? So I will say here star ab plus minus to the power cde star plus f by g h. Now the two operands that are yet to be solved are plus and star, right? So how do we do this? Now the two operands that are yet to be resolved, plus and star, we know that star has greater precedence than plus, therefore we need to solve this multiplication operator, right? So now our operand 1 will be this one. Why? Because plus is yet to be resolved, right? And operand 2 would be this whole thing, right? So let us write it as it is, a b, right, plus, okay, this will come to this place, right, minus to the power c d e plus f by g h, right? Now the only operator left is plus. This would be operand 1, and this whole thing would be operand 2. So I will put plus here, plus star ab star minus to the power c d e plus f by g h is your prefix expression for this infix expression.